Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I am just doing a get ready with me, y'all. And I wanted to bring y'all along with me just so y'all could get a life update. So let's get started. So going in, I am going to be using my milk primer, and y'all know I don't use a whole lot of this. A little goes a long way with this. Y'all know I gotta concentrate on this part because I'm not used to having this. I'm still getting used to this liquidy serum type feeling, so I don't be want to drop nothing in my eye or anything like that. So I'll be trying to get pay attention a little bit more when I'm around that area. But yeah, what's up, y'all? Like, where y'all been at? Like, what's going on? Like, we family. Where y'all been? You know, I've been missing y'all. I'm sorry. I've been missing receiving these blessings, y'all, in private, celebrating these wins in private, and that's so important to do. So yeah, I just been chilling. I'm gonna let y'all know though. Just wait. I got y'all. Okay, I got you. But yeah, I just been working on me. You know, working on me, putting myself first. But I'm going in with my NARS. This is the glass one, y'all. I've been alternating this. Like, look, it's literally halfway, y'all. I've been using this foundation a lot lately, and y'all know I love my other foundation. And let me tell y'all what happened. So I did my brows. I already started on my brows, whatever, because I was like, you know what? Ooh, I should have recorded a video. And boom, here we go. I'm recording a video for y'all because I was like, I got to do this little look online. You know, I can't be just keep continuing, you know, to miss my days with y'all, because I be missing that. I be loving that little time that, you know, we get to spend together. But like I said, I've been a little busy on a lot of, you know, just working, stuff like that. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. We hit a huge goal on this channel. Like, we literally hit the goal for the month that I needed, that I was praying for, that I was working for. And y'all, I cried actually. I cried off camera, but you know, I can't cry on camera right now. But just know I cried, okay? Just know I was a baby. And I turned up, you know, I turned up for y'all. So I'm just going in with my brush and, you know, just buffing out my foundation. All right, y'all, so y'all know I told y'all I was already like in the process of working on my brows, and sis ain't finished them, so we finna finish them right now. All right, and all I'm doing is taking a little bit of my foundation on the back of my hand, and yeah, you get what I'm doing. I'm just going for more of a natural look because I don't want this honey bun up here and I'm over here with a full, you know, I want to do more of a natural look with this bun in my head or whatever. Because I, you know, it ain't my birthday or nothing like that, so I ain't got the look, you know. Y'all, so like, what y'all been up to? Like, what's going on? I hope y'all been living your life to the fullest and not worried about what people think and staying positive, because that's all I'm gonna promote on my channel is positivity. Like, I don't got time for drama. That's literally, I see drama knocking, I don't got time for it at all. Like, not even this amount. You see how close that is? Not even that amount of negativity. Like, and I don't want y'all to have that either. Like, cancel all that negative stuff out. It don't even be worth it at the end of the day, baby. And I'm telling you from experience, so go ahead and let that go. Y'all, so y'all need to let me know, like, what's the sales, because I'm so hurt, y'all. So let me tell y'all, let me give y'all the right facts before I even, you know, get to talking about it. Let me tell y'all the right person, whoever it is. I wish I could show y'all, but y'all know how the phones be working, like in the camera. It don't ever be showing like how it's supposed to. But anyways, this dude name is Brandon Blackwood in New York is his Instagram name. So he had a pre-order for his purses, the ESR totes, and he released like 37 colors. And I literally, listen, I was on his Instagram for days. Like, oh my God, I wrote the colors down that I wanted. And then I was trying to narrow it down to only a few because I didn't want to get so many bags of the same one. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get 2. I sent the link to my husband, I sent the link to my mom. I'm like, can y'all help me out with the colors? All right, it's so many colors, I can't choose. And I'm just thinking to myself, I cannot pick one, you know, at least one color, because I'm just thinking to myself, they was all so pretty, y'all. Like, y'all don't listen, y'all don't even understand. Next day I went on, all the purses gone. Tell me why I was crying inside. Like, ugh, yeah, I was so heartbroken. Like, I had to stop just so I could explain that story to y'all, because those bags were so cute, so bomb. Like, I really, really wanted one. And I'm hoping that he does another pre-order, even though he says, like, you know, this might be the last one. I'm just hoping that he finds it in his heart to release another one, because I've made up my mind. I know what I want now. I want the nude one and I want the black one. But see, before I wanted the nude, the black, the teal, and the lime green. Oh, and the pink. See, that was too many. I couldn't do. And it was the shades, y'all. It wasn't like he had just one shade of pink or one shade of teal. He had multiple. It's like, how can I choose? Like, what am I supposed to do? Just give me all of them. Like, just charge my card. Don't even tell me. Just charge it. That's how I felt. Like, just charge my card. But yeah, I was a little salty for a few days from that. And y'all, I'm just brushing up this part of my brows, you know, to give the illusion that I got some hair right there. I ain't got no hair right there, but y'all don't know that. They don't know that. Y'all, and the last product that I used in my other video was that lash, the transparent lash gel. That thing be having my brows so stuck, y'all. Like, them things is not moving. It's almost like I put some got to be glued on my eyebrows, because it will not move at all. So that's definitely a hit for me. So I'm going in with my Fenty, and I'm gonna, you know, do a little contour. Y'all know what I be doing, a little contour here and there, trying to do a little contour. I never want to cover up my beauty mark or my beauty mold, because I got so many, but I never like to cover them up. So I try to move it more this way, if that makes sense to y'all. So I'm not covering it up. All right, now we're gonna blend this out. Y'all know I go this way, upward. Do a little da-da-da-da-da. You know. I may even use a little highlight, because I feel like this bun deserves a little highlight. A little blush too, probably. It's so cute. Yeah, y'all. But I've been over here trying to create new stuff. Like, I feel like it's so time consuming, y'all. I don't have enough time in a day to do what I need to do. And that's just not right. And if I'm feeling like that, I know somebody else in this world is feeling like that too. So I just had to get that off my chest right quick. That I just be needing a little bit more time. Okay, so I'm gonna snatch my nose a little bit. Not much, but I do want to snatch my nose before I put on my powder. Y'all, this always be the part where I just be like, oh my God, am I gonna get it? Am I gonna get it? I feel like this brush ain't doing it. It ain't getting as defined as I would like it to, or maybe I'm not putting enough on there. Cause let me tell y'all, normally I would use my other brush, but baby, I don't even know where it's at. And like I told y'all, I'm not trying to be beat to the gods today. I'm just giving very much first Sunday. That's what I'm giving. All right, that's all. That's what it's giving today. Okay. Very much first Sunday vibes. Ooh, yes, girl, yes. This is how I be amping myself up at my vanity, y'all. I be like, ooh, beautiful, yes. Edges, yes. Ooh, don't mind me. Sometimes you gotta root for yourself, and y'all gotta be remembering that you is your biggest fan. Like, make sure you remember that. This is gonna take you far, 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 far. Because at the end of the day, when other people leaning on other people to make them feel better, that's not gonna always happen. You gotta make yourself feel better. Like, I be trying to preach and tell people, like, you gotta make yourself have that bond with yourself. Self-love is the best love, all right? Remember that. You don't take nothing else. Remember that. So how did y'all feel about my wig that I slayed the other day? Like, I slayed that wig twice, just so y'all know. I put it on twice because I had to make sure that, you know, I actually did a good job. And I put it on 2 times, and baby, it was cute. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal concealer and conceal under my eyes a little bit. All right, y'all, so I'm going in with my Sasha Buttercup. And I'm gonna put a little powder on my face. And I am pressing it into my skin. And I'm gonna just let that dry for a little while. So I am just using my Kylie palette just to use the mirror, all right? What I'm really gonna use is my Juvia's, the Nubian 3, the Coral palette. And it doesn't have a mirror, so that's why I'm using that one. And these are the colors. So first I'm gonna go in with that brown color right here. And I'm gonna start blending that in. Yeah, I haven't bought anything from Juvia's in a minute. I need to though. I think they have some new palettes and everything out. Like, how do y'all maintain all of these palettes? Because I don't even have that many, and I'd be like, oh my gosh, where am I gonna get more space from? Like, so much. But I just feel like, oh my goodness. Every time I go into Ulta, I want to buy another palette, and I know I have to like stop myself. Like, no girl, you barely have space for the ones you already got at home. All right, so that looks very much soft. I like that. I like the way that blended out. And I've learned with this eyeshadow, it just takes time. Like, just blend. Blend, blend, blend. Don't rush it. Don't just slap it on. You know, your hand might get tired because it's a workout. But you could do it. You could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. All right, so we blended in the brown. We did perfect. It looked like, it really looks really good. Like, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. It looks flawless, okay? I'm gonna go in with this brown color right here. We just gonna keep it in the brown family or whatever. I do like that my Juvia's palette does not have a lot of fallout because, like, with this Kylie Jenner palette, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I could literally just tap it a few times and the brush will just like make a whole print. The Juvia's palette has way less fallout for me, and that's why I love using it. Like, straight up, period. I mean, I love my, don't get me wrong, I do love my little Kylie palette because I be having this with me on the road. But I just don't like, when I get up, all that powder be on my shirt or something like that. When I have my Juvia's one, it don't do all of that. But Juvia's, y'all need this. Come on now, y'all need the mirror. I need y'all to give me a mirror, all right? I need that, okay? It's easier for me to do my makeup on the passenger side when I gotta, you know, go somewhere. So that's what I be looking for. I love when it's like a mirror. So I'm just letting y'all know. I'm just letting y'all know if y'all, you know, y'all ever hear my voice, y'all ever, you know, say, oh, let's just go check out some small YouTubers on, you know, YouTube and see what they think about my product. I'm just letting you guys know. I love a mirror, okay? I ain't saying you gotta put it with all the palettes now, but just put it with some of them, okay? Just a little bit of them. Because it's so convenient. We're gonna go in with this peachy color. It's like a coral looking color right here at the bottom. I like the way it come out on my brush, but I don't feel like it's coming out on my eyelids that much. I just wanted to give like a little glow or whatever. I guess it's doing a little something. Oh, okay, now I can see it. I guess I had to dig in it a little more. And you just building it up, y'all. Like, that's all I'm doing is building up the eyes. Like, So you can see, oh, it was dark. Oh, then she went to medium. Oh, then she went to light. Then she went to light. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm trying to do. You get it. So I'm gonna use a little bit of my concealer. Okay, so I kind of did a little cut, not much. Like, I wouldn't say it's like a full cut crease or whatever, but you know, I did a little something. Cause I wanna put that color, this peachy color, like right there in the tip. So I'm going in with my smaller brush, and I'm going in with, I have never touched this color, and that's just crazy to me. But you could probably see it's literally brand new. I'm going in with this color right here, right next to that coral color. And I'm gonna put that right on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust off, y'all know, the excess powder. I did already kind of like put some mascara on my eyes or whatever. I use my Benefit. I haven't bought a new one. I'm still struggling with my other one because I ain't trying to buy a new one until that one is completely gone. Okay, y'all, so I'm going in with a brown liner. You can get it at the hair store, you can get it at Walmart, whatever is nearest to you. CVS, Walgreens, Target. So this is the color Spite from MAC that I'm using. This is the first color I'm using. I'm going in with another color after this. Okay, y'all, so I found the other lipstick that I was talking about. I'm going in with the Twig, and it's by MAC also. And I'm only gonna use a little bit of this, y'all. Ooh. I didn't expect that. Like, it just gave me a whole pop of color. I did try this in the red, and I love the red, y'all. I'm gonna have to do a look to where I'm just wearing that red lipstick, because that red lipstick is bomb. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.